Hello everyone, and in this video we will be demonstrating the automatic promotion of numerical types. So this is going to be a quick video basically explaining the automatic promotion of numerical types. So what does that mean? Before we get into that, as you can see, I have listed a number of variables. We have a Boolean variable, a character, a float, integer, and a short, and we are going to basically do a number of computations with them. So as you can see on line 20, we have the character added to the Boolean variable, and we have set it to a character variable as well. So we are basically going to see what happens when we play around with these types. So the next thing that you can see is we have basically played around with the types and have printed out the results. Yeah, and the results of this computation is listed below. As you can see, a Boolean plus a character is a character, an integer times the short is an int, a float times a character is a float. So basically the rule of thumb is whatever variable holds more space in memory, that is where the promotion favors. So essentially, since a float holds more space in memory than a character, when you do a number of computations with a float and a character, the program would automatically promote that result to a float in order to accommodate the float variable. So yes, keep that in mind while you're coding, that these conversions do happen behind the scenes, and they may be a reason why your code is not working the way you thought it was supposed to. So yeah, this is just a quick video demonstrating that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.